What's up, y'all? On this Monday, June 7th, welcome back to the Wealth Giant Academy. First of all, um, today the stocks did wonderful, and I hope y'all seen some green, man, because this is basically my first time in a couple of weeks seeing 80, seeing my portfolio at least 89, 90% green. So, and the reason that it probably wasn't all green for yours or my for yours or my portfolio is because we still got this inflation talk. It's kind of still lingering on. So with that being said, we still kind of in this so-called pullback or bear market or whatever y'all want to call it. Let the chips fall where they may. But we're doing good, man. It's looking good. Like I say, once again, shout out to those who still holding for AMC. Um, I'm no longer on that bandwagon. But for those who still holding the AMC, those who follow my particular channel, um, then shout out to you. But let me also say this, I always leave this disclaimer. I'm not your financial advisor. I only have this particular channel to help you make decisions, to teach you how to search for stocks and create your own generational wealth. But I am not your stock advisor. I'm not your financial advisor. Um, but this channel is particularly for edutainment, which is education and entertainment, but we put the education first in front of the entertainment. So with that being said, I'm gonna go get right straight into this, man, and go to my particular portfolio and let y'all see this thing, man. Well, this is Yahoo News. Go to my portfolio first. My TD Ameritrade account, anyway. Okay, go to my account. As y'all can see, go to my positions. As y'all can see on today, my balance, I'm at 26,625. I'm up today, particularly 5.97 cents, which is good, man, which is good compared to the bearish market and what we've been coming out of since March. So that's equivalent to 5.97% is equivalent to $1,499.91. Y'all see most of my positions were basically green today, man. And I love that. I really enjoyed that. BNGO popped up today good, man. And I told y'all about BNGO, man. I told y'all to ride with it. This thing shot up today, man. 3.21%. I got like 555 shares of it. So I was damn sure happy that it did what it did, though. So this is still a good stock. I say this stock is going to be at least go up to at least 10 or 11. But it damn sure did good today. That was one of my green stocks today, which is Bionanogenomics. And I told y'all about this months ago, man. Uh, Coca-Cola, all those was good today. Cleveland Cliffs Inc. Where I told y'all about this ticker symbol, CLF. Great stock, man. Pays dividend. I think y'all should jump on it and do some due diligence and get down on it. Matter of fact, in this particular video, this is what I'm going to do today. On this particular video, y'all. Late Monday evening. I'm gonna smoke my cigar later. This is what I'm gonna do because I said I was gonna do this. And I want to teach y'all something right quick, and I hope y'all follow this and take this to heart because me telling you or somebody else, like whether it's Chris Sane or Larry Jones or whoever you might be looking at on YouTube. And one thing about me, I always tell y'all this. Um, I don't hate on no other people that's trying to teach y'all how to create generational wealth. I don't hate on no other YouTubers, never do. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna leave links for other people that y'all can go and look at. People like, cause that's the people I listen to. We bounce knowledge off each other. People like Stock Up with Larry Jones, or Chris Sang, Stock Mode, Zip Trader. These are the particular guys that I like on YouTube that are teaching people how to build wealth through the stock market. But I'm gonna tell y'all something. None of us are to the point where we're just mastering this thing. Even though we may be mastering the stocks, we may be making a lot of money on it, but you have to be a master of yourself in this game. In other words, no matter what we say or what good knowledge we give out or what good info we give out, you still, as your own, being the CEO of your own portfolio. You know what I'm saying? You being the CEO of your own portfolio, you have to do your own D&D, your own due diligence. So That's very, very important that y'all learn how to look up these stocks, find these stocks for yourself. But like I said, what was I? Oh, Coca-Cola. I told y'all, I've been told y'all about Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola is a stock that you just can't worry about. Stocks like Coca-Cola, Nike, Apple, P&G, Procter and Gamble, uh, other financials like J.P. Morgan, Morgan Stanley, stocks like that during a bearish market, or what we seem to be considering coming out of a bearish market, those are the places where you put your money at for safety. You know what I mean? You don't want to basically want to take your chance with new growth stocks in a bearish market. And in a bullish market, like last year, 2020 was basically a bullish market. You could listen to anybody on YouTube, pick a stock. It was real easy. It was real easy. It's real easy to make money in a bullish market, but you have to be smart enough and patient enough to make money also in a bearish market. So, like I say, my Bank of America, which is financials, and I tell y'all, like I just mentioned, Morgan Stanley, J.P. Morgan, it's always safe in places like that. I don't care what type of market it is, it's bullish or bearish. Coinbase, now I keep telling y'all about Coinbase. Coinbase is 228 now. I got over 60 shares of this, and I'm going to keep buying the dip. My average down cost now, my cost average now for Coinbase is down to like $260, $260 a share. When I first started off buying Coinbase, as I told y'all before, it was like 337. So as it's been going down, I've been buying the dip, and now I brought my average cost down to like 260. So I'm gonna keep buying it too. See, this is what we call the gift that keeps on giving. Because let me tell y'all something, and I can't stress this enough on this channel. Crypto ain't going nowhere. I'm telling y'all that. Crypto ain't going nowhere. Bitcoin is doing bad right now. That means all the other coins doing bad. All the other coins basically follow the same chain of Bitcoin. I don't care. But it's Ethereum, ADA, Cardano, Feet Chain, Ethereum coin, whatever a coin you're into now. If Bitcoin, which is the godfather of crypto, is down, then the rest of them will be down. But believe me, Bitcoin is not going to stay down. So I bought this when it became an IPO. Well, it really wasn't an IPO, it was a DPO, it was a direct public offering. And there's a difference between the IPO and the DPO. And I'll get off into those meanings later. But soon as it opened, I didn't buy it. I waited till it dipped. I didn't think it was going to dip too much past three something. So I bought it at 337. I bought like 20 shares off the rip. But it did. So I kept buying. So because I was too far in then, so I just had to keep buying so I could average down my cost. But I know that crypto is still going to explode in the future, just like EVs, talking about charge point, even Ford. These people are making these energy cars, these energy vehicles. That's what EV stands for, just energy vehicles. EV is the future. So a lot of these EV stocks you need to get up on. Matter of fact, let's go down and show you my EV stock that I love. Capital Southwest Corporation is a good stock to get into. 2017, they did good today. But let me show you my EVs. NEO. Y'all ain't up on NEO, man. I don't know where you been. This is a good stock. Even though it's going up now, if you ain't got in early, I would say wait till it dip again. If it dip under $40, definitely buy some NEO stock. Please, it's ticker symbol NIO, Chinese company EV. They basically ahead of the game. Then you got right below them, Charge Point Holding, ticker symbol CHPT. What a great company, y'all. These are EVs. I'm not gonna let none of my EVs go. Then you got GNOG, Golden Nugget Online Gaming. You know, this is something that ain't going nowhere. They're gonna be blasting. They was down a little bit today, but they ain't going nowhere. And like I just told y'all about BNGO, they was up today, 16%. Um, Bionano Genomics. So then I got Iron Mountain Incorporated, which is a REIT. I told y'all about the real estate REIT, and y'all know I got to have real estate stock because I'm a real estate investor as well. So this is one of the best ones. Oh, just ticker symbol O is a good one. Realty is a good REIT to have. These are real estate. These are big real estate companies that own all type of properties. You ain't got to worry about them going down no time soon. But yeah, but back to the news. As far as the news goes, y'all can see I was looking at Apple trying to see where Apple was going. Apple still being studied and sideways. But the thing about it, y'all, the best thing to do in any situation, especially now, and I tell y'all this all the time, you cannot win the game if you ain't playing. So you got to be your own coach and put yourself in the game. There's a lot of money to be made in the market today. Like I made a lot of money today. You know what I mean? So I mean, just think about the millionaires who got millions in their accounts, what they made today. So, and we're not even in a great bullish market now. So you have to, if you're working, if you're doing a 9 to 5, whatever, stop blowing your money. If you ain't got no money in the stock market, you're blowing money. You got to be blowing money. At least put some money in the stock market. Open up a webull account. Open up a TD Ameritrade account. I wouldn't tell you to open up Robinhood because I don't necessarily like how Robinhood run things. But listen, look at the link below. Hold on. Let me go. Let me go down here. Hold on. Stop for a minute. Go down to my page. Look at the link below. Hit the link, the webull link below, and you will get 2 stocks that are valued up to $1,800. Now, that's using my link. Do that now. Open up your webull account. Just put $100 in there. Put $150, $200. Buy you some stocks. You know what I mean? And then when you offer a Webull to one of your friends, then you'll get 2 free stocks. So it's a win-win with Webull. And I love Webull. I love the app. I love how they operate. I love how easy it is to actually do option plays on them. Even though TD Ameritrade is my #1 for doing option trades, because I think TD Ameritrade has the best, as far as Thinkorswim, they have the best analysts to help you, to teach you how to actually do options. They teach you how to do calls and puts and strikes, and they teach you all these things that you really need to know to make money in option plays. And I told y'all we're gonna get off on option plays later, but first, y'all, I just want to build this thing up to the point for those who follow me and follow me as being the wealth giant and follow my YouTube channel. I just want y'all to learn the basics of just investing in the stock market, period, before we can even think about elevating to doing option plays and calls and puts. So, and like I told y'all, Yahoo Finance, Tip Ranks. This is who I listen to. The same place I get my news from. Y'all can get the same news. This is what I'm telling you about doing your own due diligence, doing your own study. This is who I listen to. I listen to Tip Ranks. Tip Ranks also have free, but they also have a premium subscription. They got some of the best analysts. I listen to Zach's. Um, I don't put Zach's next to Tip Ranks, but Tip Ranks, Motley Fool, Zach's, Bar Chart, uh, Yahoo Finance News, of course, Bloomberg. I look at Bloomberg News. Oh yeah, I said I was gonna do something right quick. Excuse me, I forgot. I want to show y'all something right quick, for real. Matter of fact, I'm just gonna show y'all with Yahoo Finance. Okay, now y'all looking at the screen right quick. I almost about to end the video, and I'm glad I just thought about this. Are y'all looking at this video? Y'all looking at the screen. Now check this out. Y'all see my arrow. Y'all see, if you go to Yahoo Finance, I'm just going to show you on this one platform. You can do it on a lot of different platforms. You can do it on Webull. You can actually do it on Webull. You can do it on TD Ameritrade. You can do it actually on the brokerage platforms themselves. But I just want to show you a simple way how to stock screen just on Yahoo Finance. Okay, so you see me, you go to screeners right here, right? You see, I got saved screeners, or you can do mutual fund screener, ETF screener, future screener. We'll get off into that. Indexes, you can actually invest in whole indexes like the S&P, Nasdaq, and so forth, so forth. So I'm just gonna go to equity screeners. Just gonna go to save screeners, right? But I think I want to do a new screener. See right here where it says create new screener. Okay, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna create new screener. I just want to show y'all something. Right? This is just on Yahoo Finance. This is free. This is free. Okay, you see this right here? All screeners. Okay, build stock screener with filters below. That's how simple this is, y'all. But I'm finna tell y'all what to look at. Region. Okay, United States already marked. Now, this is important right here. Market cap, intraday. Okay, you see small cap, mid cap, large cap, mega cap. We want to do large cap. We're gonna do large cap and mid cap. And this cap mean these are companies that have money to play with. So we ain't gonna really deal with no small. And we gonna mess with the mega cap because that's big. The reason I don't want to mess with the mega cap right now, show y'all this example of the mega cap, because we want to try to fit a certain price range for the particular stock. And a lot of companies with mega caps, 9 times out of 10, their stock going to be more expensive. So I'm just gonna do large cap and mid cap for this particular example. Okay. So price, we're gonna say it says greater than, right? We're gonna say less than. So we're gonna pick a stock that's gonna be mid cap, large cap. We're gonna say it's gonna be, we want it less than. We're gonna say $20. Cheap, right? Right. Add sector. Want to add a sector? You hit on here. We're gonna say real estate. All the most important ones. Healthcare. We're gonna say utilities, energy, technology, and adding a lot of these give you more chances to find the stock under this $20 too. Um, um, Communications, industrials, financials like banks, consumer defensive, all that, consumer cyclical. So we got all that up there, right? Okay. Um, Add industry. If you want to add industry, hit the same thing. Real estate diversified, real estate development. We just hit all that. You know what I mean? Oil and gas, utilities, oil, oil. I'm just giving y'all an example. Y'all can go down here and do it how y'all want to. Solar, electronic components. I'm just looking through all of this. And I'm just giving y'all an idea how we doing it. Real estate services, like whatever you want to do. And you see down here, we're going to do biotechnology. Okay. Medical, do health information services, medical care facilities. Just going to put all that in. Okay. All right. You play with it how you want to play with it. And then you see right here where I can just say find stocks. But up here, let me see what else. I already got the region, I got the market cap, I got the price I wanted. And just gonna say you can add another filter if you like. Say find stocks. Okay. Just hit on find stocks. Y'all see all these stocks just popped up? All these stocks popped up. Here go the prices right here. They go hit your prices, $9. That's inlay, $9.40. Now all of these, remember the filters you put in. You can put in more filters. The region is United States. All this is within the United States. All your market cap, these are mid cap and large cap companies, meaning they're good companies. They got plenty of cap space. Okay. Price under $20. And then these are your sectors, and that's your industry. And these are the matching stocks. All these particular stocks right here. So then you can go in and look at these particular stocks, and you can do your extra study on these particular stocks. But all these stocks are mid cap, large cap, under $20. Show you something that was I thought it was one more. Like I said, you can actually add another filter. You can add, and then so you can go ahead and see why I hit add another filter, right? And these particular filters is stuff like, 52-week price, so forth and so forth, income. But you really don't even have to go that far on a lot of these particular things. Earnings, profile, if you want to hit all that stuff, sector and energy, so forth and so forth. But you actually don't need to do that. So that's just one particular way, y'all, to and don't want to go back now. There you go. That's just one particular way to screen stock, to actually do your screen stock. Like I said, you always want to deal with companies that are at least have a large cap. You don't really want to too tough screen a stock with small cap, because small cap basically means they may have to borrow money eventually, and they're a small cap company, usually not going to be paying dividends. Usually when you find certain stock or companies that have a large cap, especially mega cap or mid cap, then they 9 times they might be able to pay dividends, and that's a good thing, because you're not really worrying about the weakness of a company. That's a strength in the company. So see the sun coming on me a little bit more. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please, y'all, make sure you hit the subscription button and hit the notification bell button for me. And I will see y'all on the next one. I'm Enoch the Wealth Giant. See y'all at the top.
BigTones.com